Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, today we are going to draw a village scenery with human figures. So friends, at first we will draw a lady with a bucket. Okay, so friends see, at first we have to complete her basic drawing properly. Okay, see here I am making her basic drawing. See the steps. I am applying the steps very easily. You can draw the steps very easily. Okay. Now see here we have to complete the lower part. Then we will draw her hands and the bucket. Okay. So friends see at first we'll complete her basic structure properly. After that we can go detailing. Okay, here we have to complete her hands properly, also the bucket. Then we can draw another figure also. Now friends see at first we'll complete this figure properly. After completing this figure we can go to the another figure. Okay, so at first we have to complete the lady properly. After that we can go to the second figure. When you draw the second figure we have to erase the lady's right hand. Okay, now also when you draw this figure, at that time also we can draw the basic structure properly. After that we can go to the detailing. Okay, so friends see this process is a very important process. Okay, if you draw the basic structure properly we can draw the whole figure very easily. Okay, now see our second figure also almost completed. Now just we have to complete her legs, then we can go to the background. Okay, so friends I think you can draw this one very easily, is it? Yes, you can do it. I know if you follow this process you can draw any composition very easily. Just you should follow the process. Okay, here just we will learn only the drawing. Okay, after completing this figure just we will go to the background. Okay, and if we want we can add more figure. And when you draw background, at that time we should follow the perspective drawing properly, because if we want to make any composition we should apply the perspective. Okay, here I am not showing the perspective process. Okay, just try to know the perspective knowledge from your art teacher. Okay. So friends see, almost our drawing is completed. And friends, if you want you can draw this one very easily. And if you need any help you can contact with us. Okay, and if you like this video don't forget to share with your friends and your relatives. Okay, so friends, bye.